Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of probability. So the given example is a pair coin is tossed 5 times. What is the probability of having at least one head? Coming to the solution, so given that a coin is tossed 5 times, so the possible outcomes are 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. Okay, in a pair coin, the probability of getting a tail or probability of getting a head in one tossing coin is 1 by 2. Once again, in a single coin is tossed, the probability of getting a head or probability of getting a tail is 1 by 2. So now here a coin is tossed 5 times. So the probability of A is equal to 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5, which is equal to 1 by 32. So probability of getting no head in tossing 5 times. No head in tossing 5 times is 1 by 32. So the probability of getting at least one head. The probability of getting at least one head is probability of A bar is equal 1 minus probability of A, where event A is the no head in tossing 5 times. So that is probability of A is 1 by 32. So therefore the probability of getting at least one head is 1 minus 1 by 32, which is equal 31 by 32.